how to redeem Costco rewards. Here's how it works. If you have a Costco membership, executive Costco membership here, I'm going to click on account at the bottom from the app, and I will just show you. Right here, if you click on buy membership, the executive Costco membership comes with a 2% annual reward. Now, how is this going to work? Basically, every February you will get this issued, and you have to take or go to your physical warehouse. So that's going to be your Costco physical warehouse, which you can see right above, or basically anywhere on the app. And you can use that 2% for merchandise, cashback, or a shop card. You will need to go to the physical location which you have assigned to your membership, and you can redeem your rewards there. So that's how you do it. I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.